Do you ever feel like managing your team's time is a bit like herding cats? Especially when you've got a crew out in the field, moving from one job to the next, and you're trying to figure out who was where, when, and for how long. If you're nodding your head, then you've probably wrestled with the age-old question. How do I accurately track my team's hours without drowning in a sea of paper timesheets or a confusing mess of spreadsheets? For many small to medium-sized home service businesses, whether you're a landscaper, plumber, cleaner, electrician, or a general contractor, the struggle is real. You've got invoices to send, quotes to build, customers to impress, and materials to order. The last thing you need is to dedicate hours each week to manually calculating payroll based on handwritten notes or vague recollections. And let's be honest, those methods are not just time-consuming. They're also ripe for errors, leading to frustrated employees, inaccurate billing, and a whole lot of headaches for you. You want a system that's efficient, accurate, and ideally integrated with the rest of your business operations. Something that gives you a clear, real-time picture of your team's day, every day. Because when you know exactly how much time is being spent on each job, you can better understand your profitability, optimize your scheduling, and ensure you're paying your team accurately and fairly. So here's the million-dollar question, and one that I get asked all the time. Does Jobber do timesheets? The short answer, and the one that will probably bring a sigh of relief to many of you, is a resounding yes. But it's not just a simple yes. It's a yes, and it does it incredibly well, in a way that's designed specifically for the unique needs of field service businesses. Jobber isn't just a scheduling tool or an invoicing system. It's a comprehensive field service management software that understands the critical role accurate time tracking plays in the success of your business. Let's dive into how Jobber handles timesheets and, more importantly, how it can transform the way you manage your team's time and, by extension, your business. At its core, Jobber provides a robust and intuitive time tracking feature that allows your team to clock in and out directly from their mobile devices. Imagine your crew arriving at a job site. Instead of pulling out a notepad or sending a text, they simply open the Jobber app, select the relevant job, and hit clock in. When they're done, they hit clock out. It's that simple. This direct integration with jobs is a game changer. It means every logged hour is automatically associated with a specific client and job, eliminating any ambiguity about what task was being performed and for whom. But it goes beyond just clocking in and out. Jobber's timesheets are designed to give you a detailed breakdown of your team's activities. Employees can add notes to their time entries, providing context about what they accomplished during their shift or any issues they encountered. This is invaluable for understanding project progress, identifying bottlenecks, and even training new team members. For example, a landscaper might note mulched front beds and trimmed hedges, while an electrician might specify diagnosed faulty wiring in kitchen, replaced circuit breaker. This level of detail ensures accountability and provides a richer dataset for your business analysis. One of the most powerful aspects of Jobber's time tracking is its integration with the rest of the platform. Think about it, your schedule is in Jobber, your jobs are in Jobber, your clients are in Jobber, and now your time is in Jobber. This seamless integration means that when an employee clocks in or out of a job, that time is automatically linked to the job record. This has massive implications for your billing and payroll processes. For billing, you can easily pull up a job and see exactly how many hours were spent on it, by whom, and when. This allows you to generate accurate, itemized invoices that reflect the true cost of the labor involved. No more guesstimating or undercharging for your team's valuable time. This level of transparency also builds trust with your clients, as they can see a clear breakdown of the services they're paying for. When it comes to payroll, Jobber makes your life significantly easier. You can review all your team's time entries from a centralized dashboard. You can see who worked what hours, identify any discrepancies, and approve timesheets with a few clicks. This aggregated data can then be easily exported, often in formats compatible with popular payroll software, streamlining your payroll process and reducing the risk of errors. Imagine cutting down payroll processing time from hours to minutes. That's the kind of efficiency Jobber brings to the table. Beyond the practicalities of billing and payroll, Jobber's timesheets offer valuable insights into your business operations. By tracking time diligently, you can identify which types of jobs are most profitable, which tasks take longer than expected, and where there might be opportunities for efficiency improvements. Are your lawn care jobs taking longer than estimated? Perhaps you need to refine your quoting process or provide additional training. Are your plumbing repair calls consistently exceeding the budgeted time? Maybe it's time to reassess your pricing structure or optimize your dispatching. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions that can lead to increased profitability and operational efficiency. Another significant benefit is the reduction of administrative burden. Say goodbye to stacks of paper timesheets that get lost, damaged, or are simply illegible. Forget about manually transcribing hours from text messages or phone calls. Jobber automates this process, freeing up your time and the time of your administrative staff to focus on more strategic tasks, like growing your business and providing exceptional customer service. This shift from reactive data collection to proactive data management is key for scaling your business effectively. Furthermore, Jobber's mobile app ensures that time tracking is convenient and accessible for your field team, regardless of where they are. They don't need to return to the office to submit timesheets or worry about losing paper records. As long as they have their smartphone, they can accurately record their work hours, even if they're offline. The data then syncs automatically once an internet connection is reestablished. This reliability is crucial for ensuring accurate and consistent time tracking across your entire mobile workforce. In essence, Jobber's timesheet functionality isn't just about recording hours. It's about providing you with a powerful tool to manage your labor costs, streamline your administrative processes, improve your billing accuracy, and gain valuable insights into your business performance. It helps you move from guesswork to precision, from inefficiency to optimization. It's an integral part of creating a more organized, profitable, and scalable field service business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.